you're safe.
Hey, good morning, guys. Here we are at Pheasant Bonanza, Cayman, Nebraska. Got the nice gentleman here from Texas, and we got a young guy coming out with us this morning. Hopefully get some roosters, and we're gonna have a really awesome hunt. So talk to you in a little bit.
Okay, here at Pheasant Bonanza today, we're doing a little creme de la pheasant with sauteed garlic and bacon. First, I like to par grill them a little bit and get them to a good mid-rare, and then start to sizzle them in your garlic butter. And add smoked Gouda, bacon, cream, let it melt.
We're out here hunting on a piece of ground named Lanahaw. We're going to be working this field north and south, and we're going to be moving east to west. We hope to have a really good hunt. They've just gotten started. I think I heard some shooting a while back. I think they've got a few, so I'm gonna join them here with Dot and a few other dogs that I'm gonna put on the ground shortly, and we're gonna go bang some more. So.
How's it going today?
It's a good hunt, my friend.
Yeah,
Good hunt.
that was an awesome push. You guys did great. Holy smokes.
Truck.
Yeah, unload, man. How's the hunt going?
Phenomenal.
Good.
Bunch of troopers from Texas. They don't really like cold weather, but they're brave.
Oh man, it is frosty out here.
It's a good day. An icy beard. That's a fun one.
Let's do this thing.
Brian, what do you got to say?
Hold on.
Hold on.